How to install Temu app on phone. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways you can download or install Temu application in your device. Without any further delay, let us get started. So the first method is by opening up any of your preferred web application. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and open Google Chrome. Here, search for Temu download. As you do so, it will open up Google Play for you. Here all you have to do is tap on install, and that way your application will get installed. Another way you can install Temu application in your device is by opening up your Play Store from your device and search for Temu. Now this is the application that you should have in your device. Tap on install. And once the installation process is completed, tap open this app. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.